Good morning, Mr. Cooper. Here are working schedules for today. First, site scanning. Second, meeting in the firm.
I'm an architect, but everyone calls me a data gatherer. My job is different from the one I left behind. What I'm required to do now is to wear my MX glasses and walk the streets based on commands AI gives me. Our purpose is clear: to locate the missing pieces within the database and breathe life into a more potent system. I can tell the AI industry is changing the role of architects.
First of all, just a regular test if the camera is working properly.
Yes, it's working properly.
That's good. I am going to send you the site location. Please follow the navigation I give to you. Welcome back, Mr. Cooper. Here is a recap of sites uploaded today. The first site is Westminster Abbey. Style motif, Gothic. Functionality, political and religious. The second is St. Pancras Railway Station. Style motif, Victorian. Functionality, transportation. The third one is Bedford Square. Style motif, Georgian. Functionality, habitation. And last but not least, the BT Tower. Style motif, contemporary. Functionality, communication. This time, the reason why we pick up them is that each of them typically represents the distinctive data we need, in a way to help me to generate three-dimensional architecture from the broader prompts. As usual, after generating the raw 3 target, the fabrication company will send the delivery to you by the end of today. They will cast the 1:1 scale model in 5x5 cube space, and your job as usual is to train me by words typing design, to see if the parallel rendering passes the test. Have to mention, all sites we picked are considered as transitional spaces, in a way to provide a chance to rearrange individuals to make different combinations, which is more efficient in the use of the training model. There's huge potential for these spaces rearrangement. By putting them into a grid system, we can get over 374,160 combinations. This is the same as all possibilities to scramble the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. As we can see, only 4 inputs help me to train close to 100,000 sections and plan as output for the database. That is the end of the meeting today, and I will send you further detail about the model training you will work on later. Thank you for your attention. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you. So here's our archive. The archive room collected all the information as input for the AI database. It can be considered as the nutrition to feed a more accomplished system. This vast section was built when the company had just been established. The holographic image projected on my glasses is the initial concept to manifest a mixture of digital and physical contexts. By using rotation, movement, and reflection to create a complex visual exercise for AI. The pattern of the screen's reflection and the object in front reconnected the 2 spaces. This image reproduction diagram shows a user's guide for architects to operate the system. Here are more technical drawings for model fabrications, and on the left is the pattern analysis through the eyepiece from the model. The screen shows various patterns that are all set for annotations. Let's move to the next section. The shelf on the left also uses holograms to display some architectural components to help artificial intelligence study joint details. Holographic building components are seamlessly integrated into the physical shelf. This dynamic integration allows objects to communicate their history, prompt interactions, and provide access to digital information related to their context. Here, the training result of this section is the program, which we use to generate 3-dimensional prompts. We strive to explore AI as an aid to design by utilizing existing site conditions documented by camera devices as input to generate the output from these data set to re-editing the city. We picked Tottenham Court Road as our first editable zone. The physical model promotes the training of AI by humans without clear objectives or a defined end goal when it comes to moving each block. Here we designed an interface for viewers to determine and qualify what AI is generating, as the computer has no form of recognizing, so we virtualize those data from prompts. Here is our new team member, who underwent an interview conducted by the AI system. As AI shows more potential in the role of the mediator, which allows architects to focus more on the design part.
This is our meditation room, and I play the role of the meditator here. This is a space that serves various purposes, including conducting interviews, engaging in discussions about project expectations with contractors, and resolving any concerns or complaints they may have.
So here's our office working space. A space that used to be in front of the desk is now shifting to exploring by walking. Today I will work on these 4 new models just delivered on site. The rail and platform holding the model help us to reconfigure the space sequence. The MX glasses will render the live image captured on 2 sides of the camera on glasses and overlay the processed image in the format of point clouds. Tracking points calculate the user's location, and white reflective painting helps AI generate the depth map. This allows the system to achieve a precise point cloud generation, which represents the physical space. By engaging within the physical space, we can observe a dynamic change that converts from imagination by typing commands. Through AI, renderings can be generated by utilizing our database, allowing for a re-editing of the site. This process is referred to as training, and the more training we have done, the more accurate and detailed the rendering output will be. During the training, our focus lies primarily on observation and commentary, rather than pursuing a specific objective. Each building component possesses the capability of dynamic modification, leading to an infinite numbers of iterations until we decide to halt the process. I envision a future where individuals replace architects. Our thoughts will be transformed into textual commands for AI. With the aid of MX glasses, as we stroll down the streets, we will witness a dynamic transformation. Each person will showcase their unique designs, and we will have the opportunity to collaborate on these designs with others. This convergence of design will foster a sense of unity among people, allowing them to express themselves creatively.
Hey Tech, design me a volumetric sculpture around 10.
Presently, architects can establish a framework for capturing buildings through lenses, while also constructing a comprehensive prompt database.
Hey, brings my art of the British.
It is artificial intelligence, but it is evolving towards natural intelligence. Mixed reality will transition into integration with reality itself. Our perception shapes our understanding of reality, and reality in turn reflects who we are. To observe the world is to have the power to edit it.